Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're stepping into a true piece of American automotive history, a truck that helped build roads, farms, small businesses, and dreams across the country. Sitting right here in front of us is the legendary 1956 Chevrolet 3100, finished in a beautiful sand-colored paint that perfectly complements its timeless lines. This isn't just a pickup truck, this is a symbol of post-war optimism, honest work, and mechanical simplicity done right. The 1956 model year was especially important for Chevrolet, marking the final year of the iconic Task Force design in its earliest form, before bigger styling changes arrived. Whether you're a classic truck collector, a hot rod enthusiast, or someone who simply appreciates old-school craftsmanship, this truck has a story to tell, and today we're going to tell it in full detail. Exterior. Let's start with the exterior, because this is where the 1956 Chevrolet 3100 truly wins hearts at first glance. The sand-colored paint gives this truck a warm, vintage character, evoking images of dusty back roads, desert sunsets, and hard days followed by honest rest. The body lines are clean and purposeful, with a design that balances strength and simplicity. Front and center, you'll notice the bold chrome grille, a signature feature of the 1956 model. Unlike earlier versions, this grille feels more refined, with horizontal bars that give the truck a confident, wide stance. The rounded fenders flow smoothly into the doors and bed, creating a shape that feels friendly yet tough. The hood features subtle contours, and when you look closely, you can see how much care Chevrolet put into proportions back in the 1950s. This truck wasn't designed to impress with flashy tricks, it was designed to work, and that honesty shows in every curve. The classic Chevrolet hood emblem proudly sits up front, reminding you of an era when branding was elegant and restrained. Moving to the side profile, the long step-side bed immediately grabs attention. The exposed rear fenders and wooden bed floor, depending on restoration level, add a layer of craftsmanship that modern trucks simply don't offer anymore. The steel wheels, often paired with vintage-style tires, complete the look perfectly. From the rear, the simple tailgate design with stamped Chevrolet lettering ties everything together. No unnecessary decorations, no excess, just pure functional beauty. This sand-colored 1956 Chevy 3100 looks just as good parked at a classic car show as it does rolling slowly down a country road. Interior. Opening the door and stepping inside the cabin feels like traveling back in time. The interior of the 1956 Chevrolet 3100 is refreshingly straightforward, and that's exactly its charm. There's no clutter here, no screens, no distractions. Just metal, gauges, and the essentials needed to get the job done. The sand exterior pairs beautifully with neutral interior tones, creating a calm, cohesive atmosphere inside the cabin. The dashboard is a standout feature. Painted metal surfaces dominate, giving the interior a rugged yet classy feel. The bench seat, often restored in vinyl or cloth depending on taste, offers a surprisingly comfortable seating position. The instrument cluster is simple and easy to read, with large analog gauges showing speed, fuel level, engine temperature, and oil pressure. Everything is laid out logically, and you instantly understand how to operate the truck without needing a manual. The steering wheel is large and thin by modern standards, but it feels right in your hands, reminding you that power steering wasn't a luxury everyone had back then. The sound of the door closing, the smell of old metal and upholstery, and the mechanical feel of every control combine to create an experience that modern vehicles simply can't replicate. Storage is minimal, but practical. There's space behind the seat, a basic glove box, and that's about it. But that simplicity is part of the appeal. You're not meant to live inside this cabin. You're meant to drive, work, and experience the road. Performance. Now let's talk about performance, and it's important to set the right expectations here. The 1956 Chevrolet 3100 was never designed to be fast, and it doesn't need to be. Under the hood, most original models came with Chevrolet's inline-six engine, commonly the 235 cubic inch unit. This engine is famous for its durability, smooth operation, and ease of maintenance. It produces modest horsepower by today's standards, but what it delivers is torque, reliability, and a reassuring mechanical rhythm. When you turn the key and bring the engine to life, you're greeted with a sound that feels alive and honest. There's no artificial enhancement here, just the natural combustion of fuel and air doing its job. Acceleration is steady rather than quick, and that's perfectly fine. This truck encourages you to slow down, enjoy the drive, and appreciate the journey rather than rushing to the destination. On the road, the suspension is firm but compliant, designed to handle loads rather than cornering at speed. Steering requires effort, especially at lower speeds, but it connects you directly to the road. You feel every input, every movement, and every bump, which makes driving the 1956 Chevy 3100 a fully engaging experience. Braking performance reflects its era, so anticipation and smooth driving are key. Overall, this truck performs exactly as it should, delivering a driving experience that's mechanical, raw, and deeply satisfying. Prices. When it comes to pricing, the value of a 1956 Chevrolet 3100 can vary significantly depending on condition, originality, and restoration quality. Project trucks that need full restoration can be found at relatively affordable prices, making them attractive to hands-on enthusiasts who want to build something special from the ground up. On the other end of the spectrum, fully restored or tastefully restomodded examples can command much higher prices, especially if they retain period-correct details or feature high-quality craftsmanship. The sand-colored finish, if done correctly and paired with a solid body and mechanical condition, can add to the truck's appeal and value. Collectors appreciate unique yet tasteful color choices that still respect the truck's vintage character. Overall, the 1956 Chevrolet 3100 remains one of the most accessible and beloved classic trucks on the market. It offers a strong balance between historical significance, usability, and investment potential. In the end, the 1956 Chevrolet 3100 is more than just a classic pickup truck. It's a rolling piece of history, a reminder of a time when vehicles were built with purpose, honesty, and long-term durability in mind. This sand-colored example captures everything that makes the 3100 special, from its timeless exterior design to its simple yet functional interior and its dependable, character-filled performance. Whether you're looking to collect, restore, or simply admire, this truck deserves its legendary status. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of Chevrolet's most iconic trucks, make sure to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. We'll see you in the next one.